Brandon started recording.
Alright. This is like my third time restarting the recording. Yeah.
First.
I know.
I don't know
Alright.
how I have it messed up.
Oh my god.
Oh, this one I
I'm
didn't.
not even gonna give an explanation. Why?
How'd you
You
fail?
suck, dude.
Because
what the hell?
I let go of W, yet again I'm still moving.
You suck.
What do you
suck,
have
dude.
under your
You suck, dude.
Oh, boom.
Alright, come on. I swear to God. Okay, time to
What?
jump. What? What the? What?
What?
What? The red. Where did that
Uh-huh.
stage come from?
You
I
plus
didn't
it.
know.
You plussed it.
I didn't.
I didn't. I did not. I'm gonna have
I'm
300. Who
too
plussed
poor,
the stage?
Wait, you have 300.
I had 300. I always had
That's
300.
That's enough to lengthen.
Yeah, but that means when that means I don't have enough money. That means I run out of money, right?
That's so gay.
How do I get past this?
Jump. I crossed that shit.
Oh, okay, I see. There you go, at the edge. You didn't jump across it. Oh my god.
When I say across, I mean across this place. What? That is so gay. Lucky mom.
Jump, jump. My mom's like gay. Alright, I'm making it. Just got simple jumpers. Simple jumpies. Jump. Fuck.
Sword. Damat. Someone's playing the flute, guys.
That's me.
Yeah, nice flute, nice flute.
I like the notes in that song.
Oh, sure. Fucking need to cut that out. Stupid. Fucking stupid. Parents be like, fuck you, I don't care about your fucking recordings.
Okay.
Probably don't even know that you're making YouTube videos.
Fucking no.
What if they actually do?
If they do know, then, well, they might support you or they won't support you. Who knows?
Yeah, well,
Oh my! I slipped through the cracks.
That sounds weird.
I know.
Yum.
Oh.
You sound like a plane going down.
Wow.
I said, when you're falling down, Nelson just makes a plane noise. If I'm looking at it, I got him plane into that one, just fall down.
Yeah, Brendan, you don't know what to do.
Can you try then?
Alright. Bitch. Bet.
Every time I make that plane noise, put a picture of a plane in the top
Oh
right corner.
no!
Oh, Brendan said no, so I can't do it.
No, do it.
Why'd you say no?
Because
Huh?
I died.
You should
Every
have
Hey, it's your edit, alright? I don't care, it's your video. You do anything you want with your
Every time I
video.
do that plane noise, just put a freaking plane in the top right corner.
Or just like have it fly across the screen.
Nah, you guys these are bad.
Ooh! Okay. Alright, made it. This is 100% first try.
Bro.
Ellie goes to screaming back to a plane.
17 minutes are. Yeah.
I can make it. I gotta do this.
Wait, why did I have to switch up to electricity? Do you know why?
I have no idea actually. They said they'll switch it off.
Oh, what? What? Boom, so you house don't.
Yes, that means all internet will be cut off. And
No
that
shit.
is. I'm actually doing quite well.
Shush, don't say that otherwise you.
You son of
I told you!
Yo, what's up, man?
Can we just skip this one?
Yeah, go ahead.
Fuck you.
First try. Oh god damn! I haven't respawned yet.
Brandon,
I have
why'd
no
you-
idea how long this
I
video
thought
went.
you yourself, you bitch.
I didn't think I actually. Nah. You could.
I said, why did you say that? You.
I don't know. Oh, that's don't.
Brandon,
Okay.
You don't have invincibility, alright?
Oh, I hate this stage so much. What the hell was that?
Lol.
Called you being bad.
It's called a bounce off.
Oh.
I can't jump on these things. Why? I'm bad.
Ooh, ooh, ooh,
Jumping at
Oh
things.
my god, I hate this first stage. The first stage is already a pain.
Oh.
Oh my god.
Whoa, that leg.
I'm actually this bad.
ooh.
At Tower of Hell.
Trash cuz.
Oh, fuck.
Whoop! What?
Yeet.
Oh, yeah.
Yeet, 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 yeet,
Alright, shut up.
yeet.
Shut up.
Meow, 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 meow. Meow.
Alright, finally. Now don't.
Meow.
Oh!
Meow.
Again with the cracks.
What?
Why? 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 Why?
Why?
Why? God damn, that was embarrassing.
Shut up, Nelson.
Meow.
Okay, no, I'm starting the video here.